Today we are going to write a factual paragraph about a country, describe a country, write future intentions. For example, I will play football tomorrow, and read and edit your own writing.
Now look at this picture. What is this? Very good, a map of UAE. Can you write a paragraph about UAE? To describe a country, you have to mention the name of the country, describe the flag, the size, the number of people who live in this country, the capital city, the weather, and what is this country famous for. So, we will follow this mind map to write about UAE. We will start with the name. What is the name of the country? UAE. Now describe the flag. It has four colors: red, green, white, and black. Is it small or big? Small, very good. UAE is a small country. Now, what is the number of people who live in UAE? About 9 million people live in UAE. What's the capital city of UAE? Abu Dhabi. Now the weather. Is it cold or hot? Hot, very good. The last information is, what is UAE famous for? Burj Khalifa and shopping. Now use the information in the mind map to write about UAE. We will start with the title. UAE. UAE is a small country. Its flag is red, green, white, and black. About 9 million people live in UAE. The capital city is Abu Dhabi. The weather is hot. It is famous for Burj Khalifa and shopping.
Open your skills book on page number 12. Read activity number 3. Find out about a country. What is the name of the country? Very good, Oman. What color is the flag? White, red, and green. How many people live in Oman? Excellent, 4 million. And what is the weather like? It is hot. What's the capital city? Very good, Muscat. And what is Oman famous for? Excellent, it is famous for forts and castles. We can say it is famous for Khanjar. Now, before we write the paragraph, reorder the words to make sentences. Look at number 1. Reorder the words. Very good. We start with the subject. Oman is a big country. Very good. So the subject is Oman, the verb is, and we complete the sentence. Oman is a big country. Number 2. Very good. Its flag. What's the verb? Is. Its flag is red, white, and green. Excellent. We go to number 3. It, very good. Has got. It has got 4 million people. Very good. So the sentence will be it has got 4 million people. Very good. Number 4. Very good. The weather is hot. The weather is hot. Number 5. Its capital city. Its capital city is Moscow. Its capital city is Moscow. Number 6. It is famous for Khanjar. It is famous for Khanjar. Now open your skills book on page 14. Read activity number 1. Write about a country. So we are going to write about Oman. So the title will be Oman. Now we will put the sentences together. Okay. So the paragraph will be like this. Oman is a big country. Its flag is white, red, and green. It has got 4 million people. The weather is hot. Its capital city is Moscow. It is famous for forts and castles. Now for your homework, you are going to write about Egypt. So the country is Egypt. How many people live in Egypt? 80 million. What is the weather like? It is hot. And what is the capital city? Cairo. And what is Egypt famous for? It is famous for the pyramids. So write a paragraph about Egypt in your exercise book.
Now look at this picture. What can you see? A boy. What is he doing? Very good, he is doing his homework. What else? He is thinking. Excellent. He is thinking of the things that he will do after the homework. What are these things? Look at here. I will play basketball with my friends. I will watch TV after finish my homework. And I will eat a cake. Look at the sentences. In the 3 sentences, we use the word well. Look at the sentences and answer this question. What do you understand from the examples? Excellent, we use well when we want to do something. Also, we use well for the future. Excellent. Go to page number 15 of your skills book. Look at activity number 2 and read the question. What will you do tomorrow? In this activity, you are going to think of the things that you will do tomorrow and write them here. Have you finished? Very good. Now who will give me example? Visit grandma. Very good. Go to the park. Play with friends. Read stories. Clean my bedroom. Very good, grade 4. These are excellent examples. Now Choose 3 examples from activity number 2 and write 3 sentences in activity number 3 about what you will do tomorrow. Who will give me the first sentence? Very good. I will visit my grandma tomorrow. The second sentence, I will clean my bedroom. Very good. And the last sentence, I will go to the park tomorrow. Very good. For the homework, do activity number 1 on page number 16 of your skills book. In this activity, you are going to read the text, put a line under the spelling mistakes, put in the capital letters and full stops.
Now open your class book on page number 20. Ask and answer questions about Mu'tasim photos. So this is Mu'tasim, and Mu'tasim has visited these countries. He visited USA, he visited Britain, he visited China, he visited India, he visited Australia, he visited Egypt, and the last one he visited Brazil. So now we are going to ask and answer questions. What did he see in China? Look at China. What did he see in China? Very good. He saw pandas and the Great Wall. He saw pandas and the Great Wall. Now try to ask another question. What did he see in Egypt? Look here. What did he see in Egypt? Very good. He saw the pyramids and the Nile. Now try to ask and answer other questions. Now open your class book on page number 21. Read the question. Right. So we are going to plan a trip. Where will you go and why? So when we plan, what do we use? Very good, we use will if I want to plan for something. So the sentence will be like this. For example, I will go to Egypt because I want to see the Nile. Now try to write another sentence. Very good. I can say I will go to Australia because I want to see kangaroos. Another example. Excellent. I will go to China because I want to see the pandas. Right? You can write other examples from page number 21.